How to change the link sticker in Instagram story. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the link sticker in your Instagram story. To do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here, you will need to tap on the plus sign at the central button below and then from here select the story option. Now you can capture instant photo or video, or you may also add your desired photo or video from your gallery. Tap on the photo or the gallery icon at the left bottom below and then select a photo that you would like to upload. Now here at the top you'll be able to see the sticker icon. Simply tap on it and then from this pop-up here find the link option. Once you find the link option, simply tap on it. Now here you will need to enter the URL of your link. Once after entering the URL, now tap on this customize sticker text. You will need to customize the sticker text or call to action. If you don't customize it, your URL will appear on the sticker. Here you may add sticker or even a text. After that, tap on the done option at the top right. By doing so, you'll be able to add the link. Now you can place this sticker on your story by dragging it, and if you want to resize it, you can simply pinch the sticker. Also, you can tap the sticker to shuffle through the valuable color schemes and styles, and once you are satisfied with your sticker appearance and placement, you can now post your Instagram story. Simply tap on the See Your Story at the bottom left and then you'll be able to upload the story. So, by following these steps, you should be able to change the link sticker in Instagram story. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.